In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create pages on your WordPress website. What are pages? Pages are just like individual web pages where you display information on your website. So you want to make sure you have different pages on your website. Let me quickly show you how pages look like. Can you see that if you go to my website, this nav menu here has pages. This is a page, a service page. This is a shop page. This is a resource page. This is a blog page. So let me go to my blog page and show you how it looks like. So if you open my blog page, this is how my blog page looks like. Can you see how my blog page looks like? Then if I go to my service page, for instance, you will see how it looks like. Can you see? You'll find information. I want to show you how to do that. So come to your admin dashboard. I have a detailed video on how to navigate through your WordPress admin dashboard. To do anything here, please watch that video before you watch this one, and I will also link that video in the description of this video below. So hover around pages, click on add page. As soon as that is done, you're just going to give your page a page title. Let's say service. You want to create a service page. You do what? You click on publish. As soon as you click on publish, it is live. Let's see how the page looks like. It will not look like anything because we didn't design anything on it. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to design this page and make it look beautiful with a page builder like Elementor. If you want to design this, I want to start using blocks to design it, but I don't want to use blocks. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to use a page builder and design something that looks as beautiful as mine. Can you see? Something that looks as beautiful as this or more beautiful than this. If you want to add another page, what do? I can go back. These are the number of pages you have created. Here you can see all the pages you have created. You can see the ones that you have published. You can see the ones that are drafts. The ones that are in draft are the ones that you're still working on. You have not published them, but you are still working on them. WordPress will save them for you. These ones are the ones you have, deleted. They will be here. If you want to permanently delete them, click on permanently delete or delete permanently. Let's add a new page. You can say about us page. So let's type about page. So this is about us. You click on what? Publish. Can you see? Let's say we want to add another page. You can click here. All right, click here. Add another page. We want to add something like contact us or contact. So let me just leave it at that. I click on publish. So let's say this is just the number of pages I want to see. Click here on your icon here to go back. Let's see the number of pages we have created. Can you see? We have created 1, 2, 3. This one is still in draft. It has not been published. Can you see the number of pages we have created? So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a navigational menu, something that appears like this. I want to show you how to put your pages on this top bar like this so that it will stay here. This is called navigational menu or nav menu as the abbreviation. I want to put them here. On our website right now, we have it. It has been created. I'm going to show you how to create it yourself in my next video. Please, if you have a question, don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section, and make sure you check the description of my video to get details of the videos you already missed so that you can catch up and learn how to use WordPress as a complete beginner. See you in my next video.